So this is a hard question. We're told that John and Katie both made errors, and this is for this general quadratic equation. We're told that John made an error that resulted in C being incorrect. So I'm going to say in John's case, the quadratic was, let's say, this one. So that C is different. So I'll just call it C sub 1, and the roots are 6 and 2. In case of Katie, the B term was incorrect. So I'll just call that B1x. That's what she used. C was correct. Here the roots were -1 and -7. We need to figure out the roots of the original quadratic. So I'll give you the easiest way to do it, which I didn't do it this way, but this is in hindsight. So here we know that the product of the roots are C over A for a general quadratic equation. In this case, it would be C1 over A would be, say, 12. Here, for example, C over A is the product of -1 and -7 is 7. Now, you'll note that C and A are correct here. So that means that whatever the correct solutions of the original one are, their product should be 7. And if you look at the answer choices, only E matches where their product of those two roots is 7. So the answer is E. So this is the easiest way to do it. I didn't do it this way. So it's not fair for me to say that this is how I did it and I was done in 20 seconds. I did a little bit longer way because it's kind of, sometimes it's easy to kind of get your head spinning. And this is one of those examples. The way I originally did this was I said the two roots are 6 and 2. So I can rewrite it like that. Because A is the coefficient here, and that's the case here as well. I can do that. X plus 1, X plus 7. And I can do this, the resulting quadratic. And so I'll end up with this. In fact, the way I'm doing this is the same as using these sum. This is a product here, but if you use the product and the sum rule, you'll get the same relationships. And here it's going to be ax squared plus 8ax plus 7 equal to 0. So it's really about finding the relationship between C1 and A, the incorrect one, which is 12a. And then you'll see B is -8a. And here you will have B1 is 8a. And then actually there's an A here. C is 7a. So I need to go back to that one, ax squared. B, you'll notice, is -8a, so I'm going to replace that. And then C is 7a. And so the A part you can factor out. This is the quadratic you'll end up with. That's the original quadratic. And then this will factor to x minus 1 equal to 0, and you get the two roots, 1 and 7. So the easiest way was, because we had the answer choices, I could do that. But I mean, the odds are kind of low that someone will just spot it. I'm saying odds are low. It doesn't mean there won't be students who will do that. Obviously, you want to look for that. But sometimes, it's easy to kind of get lost with this information. And that's the purpose of these questions, is to kind of create that, that feeling where you can get lost. So summarize, the answer is E.